Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by placing your text layer and confirming the document size and color mode. Open Type tool and type or paste your copy. Make sure spacing and weight are final. Once done, convert that text to a smart object if you want non-destructive transforms and to preserve vector edges. Prepare a separate background layer or image you'll map the text onto, and position the text roughly where you want the effect to appear before proceeding to blend and warp steps. Next, you place the image you want inside the letters above the text layer and create a clipping mask so the image is confined to the text shape. Make sure the image layer is directly above the text layer and Alt-click Option-click between layers or choose Create Clipping Mask from the menu. Then use Free Transform and Warp to scale and curve the image inside the letters. This step lets you control composition and highlight focal areas. Also add layer masks to hide problem areas and refine edges. To finish, refine the effect with layer styles, add subtle bevels or shadows to sell depth, and a thin stroke if your letters need definition. Decide whether to rasterize the smart object. Keep it if you expect edits. Use Select Load selection on the text if you need precise masks, then flatten or export via File Export as for web or Save as for print. If something looks jagged, make sure anti-aliasing was enabled on the text, and that masks are feathered slightly to avoid hard edges.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.